Hi friends and family, it's Dan and
Ellie.
And here's another episode of Homeschool Adventures.
Yeah.
Let's go. So this one's a bit exciting because it is the year 2026.
Yes, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year officially, right? Mm-hmm. And we started your
12 films in 12 months.
Her 12 films in 12 months project. We've officially done it, and we actually have been done pretty much with that video for that short film for a week, right?
Yeah, it's been a while.
So we got done with that ahead of schedule. We're putting this out at the end of the month because it's kind of nice to recap the whole month, right?
Yeah. Before you put out a really good video. So
are you proud of what you accomplished?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
It's one of those videos where I just keep watching over and over. So I think I'm a little proud of it.
What are some of the main things you think that you learned this month?
Well,
as far as video goes, I guess.
Well, yeah. It's just silent films are so much more different. And it was a little easier than some other films.
Yeah.
Because, it was more in acting, and we also used very animated kids, too. So it just helped that we had more animated kids, and it helped make it, just different and more fun.
Yeah.
And it made it more fun to do. So I feel like from this month, I'm I'm excited because I get to hang out with a ton of more friends and make a ton of more
make
videos.
another video?
Yeah.
Or another short film, sorry.
Yeah.
But this one is actually, I guess, not a short film. This will be, I think we're planning on February being a
music video.
So we're going from silent films where music was added, music and sound effects.
Yeah.
Right? So we learned a little bit about silent films, how I actually was really impressed going back because we watched the Oscar Award winning movie called Wings, which was very long.
Too long. It kind of lost my attention in a way because I'm like, oh my goodness, there's a love story now. There's a plane crash now. This person died. Oh my goodness, what is happening?
But I was also actually really impressed at some of the camera work that they did in it. I was thinking, I don't know, for whatever reason in my head, I feel like silent films, I just kind of default to thinking of not Buster Keaton, but Charlie Chaplin. Good job. Way to remember it better than I. I'm old, so yeah. We'll use this young brain. I don't know. I feel like but it's also discrediting to Charlie Chaplin because he did a lot of really funny work with how he animated his face and his gestures and all that stuff, right?
Yeah, entertaining. I've watched The Kid a couple of times and oh, this is fun.
Yeah.
I like it.
And then Buster Keaton was amazing with stunts, right?
The stunts, there's one stunt where there's this weird guy who has this gown for some other reason and this little thing, but who cares about that? Buster Keaton's hiding, and for some other reason this guy was oh, hide in my suitcase. It's a weird suitcase. And then Buster Keaton goes in the suitcase, and then he disappears. And then guys and then he comes out, and he's oh, I have nothing here. Look at me, look. And then he comes back. And
but you had learned that there was
there's a little mechanism, a trap door.
Like a trap door, yeah.
It was a trap door, but they had to sit weird and stuff.
But they really thought of practical effects and how to do things because they it was it wasn't live, but they were performing this not live for the camera, and there was the movie magic was them figuring out the trap door and figuring out those sort of things more than necessarily CGI or something like that, right?
That's the cool thing about some movies is they still use practical effects and they don't use CGI.
Yeah.
And it makes it more real than a dinosaur chasing after you.
But still,
they made it.
One of the favorite
animatronics.
things. Yeah, animatronic stuff.
Yeah,
is still
that's why
cool.
animatronics are the best because you can make something real without making CGI,
making a whole new world.
Yeah,
right, but not necessarily Aladdin style.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, I just really feel like we actually gained some respect for silent films by kind of looking into them more and thinking about how we would do them. And like I said too, it wasn't just adding music, it was adding sound effects and stuff. So we added a little bit of sound effects to our stuff, not too much because we didn't want to take away from
the
silent part of it.
Yeah.
Right? Like, here's our silent film with a lot of sound effects. But...
we like use the bigger scenes,
yeah.
like the ending scenes to use the sound effects. So.
And we couldn't do like crazy stunts, but we did actually perform a couple little stunts. We had to work with pulling your buddy Sammy through a door, and good acting by Sammy because he like literally jumped through, which helped the effect look like he was really getting yanked in. And you appreciated Sammy's his animated
face, because when I pulled him, he literally looks at the camera like,
ah! And it just really adds to the shot, right? So then that's just really shows you that, you know, your acting and having good actors can just really add to the scene, right?
And I'm thankful for my brother Tyson, because like we told him to do a stunt and he was fine with it. We put an air mattress under our playground, and we opened up the playground, and like
we took apart the slide and stuff so that we could have some more room for stunts
and make it look more like a building and not a playground for kids. But yeah, Tyson jumped off while Lincoln was like doing something to him, and then like he
saving the day.
Yeah, he was saving the day from this little princess girl. But Tyson actually fell off onto a mattress, and it looked.
But we changed the camera angle, right?
Yeah, and then we took out that mattress because we're like
off
bye-bye.
camera.
Yeah, we're like bye mattress,
and then got him to fall.
Yeah, and it was really cool because I'm like, we actually did a stunt. He actually fell off of that
into
building.
the mattress, but we hit it, right? Just a couple little camera moves, simple things, right? But for Christmas this year, we got Apple Pens and the 3D printer that we've mentioned in the video last month, but we really got into using it, or really, Ellie has been using it a lot. Kind of the brothers haven't gotten to use it as much because she's been busy doing what?
Well, let me explain first. So I've been kind of like, I just want to do something when I'm home because like I'm homeschooled and I'm like, here's something I can do.
Homeschool Adventure Channel. Yeah.
So I have a CTAC class, and I'm like, you know what? How about because I brought some fidgets, and one was a favorite, and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna make 21 of these. So I made 20
for people in your class.
Yeah, for people in my class. So I made 21 of these, and then I'm currently making 23 of these.
Little mini nerds characters, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
you've turned it into something where you're actually making gifts for people.
Yeah, it's actually really fun because then they're like, is this for me? Is this actually for me? Thank you.
Yeah, it's fun being able to make gifts for other people. And Lynn, you're doing a really good job of researching like what sort of things that you can make and learning all the different programs and stuff like that. And so.
But speaking of an Apple Pencil, Lincoln has had so much fun with that, and I've actually been playing around with that a little bit too.
Yeah, well, he took a class from Mr. Jeremy Wilson, our friend Lakin and Tatum and Rivers' dad, right? Who we do theater with at CTAP, and he's a really talented artist, and he taught Lincoln a bunch of things in the program called Procreate. So Lincoln's been working in Procreate for a little bit, but Mr. Jeremy just showed him all kinds of little ways to use the tools that are in there and like kind of shortcuts to do things. And then Lincoln came home and showed you and your brother Tyson as well.
And then I started doing a little bit of it too. And they're a little more weirder than his.
You guys have been doing a really good job.
I'm like putting like from our play, I'm putting like the cast is like faces on like other faces. Like Lakin, I put 1 billion Lakins on everybody else, and it's super funny. Yeah,
you're able to use the tools in there to duplicate things.
And I made like half faces, so like I've done this for a bit, where I like put one person's face and another person's face, and I put them together, and then it's like, but like at half, so like you see.
And sometimes it ends up a little creepy.
Yeah.
A little creepy.
Yeah, it's a little creepy.
And then also really funny too.
Yeah, I love it.
Sometimes I just hear a bunch of laughter in the other room. It's because they're busy messing with people's faces and Procreate. So
it's so fun.
It's been fun. But yeah, it's been, you guys also, speaking of CTAP, had an amazing performance for your good man Charlie Brown play. I mean, you guys all did a great job. You and your brother Tyson had their first time as being in those lead roles, as we've talked about, and they crushed. They pretty much crushed it.
Yeah.
Pretty much crushed it. But
Tyson did awesome.
You did too. So Ellie, speaking of silent films, it was actually kind of a cool prep for the silent film because Ellie has been playing the Woodstock character who doesn't talk. So that's actually really cool that she, leading into our silent film, was basically being a mime. So see, she's pretty good at it. But yeah, so you guys did a great job. And so the play is supposed to be like 6 main characters, right? So Woodstock's actually not even...
And Woodstock's like, boom, I don't like you, Woodstock.
But I've seen the play online, and with the adults, it's actually it just doesn't really come off the same. It's like adults pretending to be kids, and it just isn't the same as actual kids.
It's just different.
Doing the characters.
It's just
a little different, right?
Yeah.
But having that happen and then adding extra characters like you as Woodstock.
And then background characters.
Lincoln was ensemble.
Yeah, Lincoln was ensemble. And
I really, 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 truly feel like without some of the ensemble, like it just isn't as fun.
It isn't. Like, team? Like,
yeah.
We needed those.
And our buddy Sammy again was in that, and they spell meat! So they're trying to spell team, but then the people on stage spell MEAT instead of TEAM, and it spells meat.
And then they spell a ton of other
random things, but it was
it made the crowd like so invest in it too.
And I was laughing so much. That was like one of my favorite parts of the play.
Yeah, it was the best part.
And I also got to help Mr. Lloyd, who normally films, and so then we got to film some of our stuff too. We might be able to show like a little clip here. Yeah, you go check out C-Tap's Instagram.
Maybe that would be better.
So check out their Instagram.
Talented people.
And we have a really talented group. So check out the Christian Theater Arts Project Instagram. The channel has grown quite a bit this month because a certain movie actor, Broadway star named Kristen Chenoweth reposted like one of our theater's videos, and it kind of went viral, like millions of views. It's kind of crazy. So that's been a really insane month. People and friends that are across the country that are in other theater groups have messaged, and they're like shocked to find out that it was our theater company. But it was, and honestly, these kids deserve all the credit because they work so hard, and there's such a tight-knit group of kids that really just like spur each other on to greatness and excellence. Yeah. And it's a really sweet group of kids, and they've really become like a family. I think you guys grew,
it is a family.
Like even tighter with this family over
Charlie Brown. Like Charlie Brown, like Tyson bawled his eyes out, by the way, at the end. Because...
I mean, I'm gonna embarrass your brother, but it's true. Everybody, he did it.
Hey, you bawl your eyes out too.
Yeah, you got it from me.
Yeah,
that's
got
it from
him. How dare you?
Genetics.
Boom. But it was sweet though because it showed on how connected he was to this group. Like he made everybody cry because it was just so like Tyson cared so much about it, and like it was.
And you worked so hard to reach this goal.
And then like it's such a short amount of time, and then you're just like, man.
And then some of the older actors are moving on. This will be like his last time acting with Liam, who played Charlie Brown himself.
And Fiona, she's
Fiona as well, right? So they're just moving up. Yeah. So they'll be able to act with them again when there's like the plays for all the kids in a family show or something like that. But that's the last time until we get older again. Like basically till you guys get in high school. Or you'll be able to be there sooner, obviously.
Yeah.
But anyways, the point is, the kids got really close.
Yeah.
And they did amazing.
Like, some of them were like, oh, we're siblings or something.
Yeah.
To it. Like, it was, like, just so, like, tight. And, like, you just felt every connection with every single one of them. And it was really cool. And it was cool to be a part of that, too.
Yeah.
Because, like, I
it's
felt
cool to
like...
even just watch you guys just grow together.
Yeah, it was really cool because, like, I was also a part of that in a way. And it was cool to be in, like, that main cast and then, like, make that much friends in that main cast. And it was really cool.
It's been pretty special.
Yeah.
So, it's been a great month. Lots and lots of creativity. Lots of things coming up this year. We're really excited to get more of that CTAP family involved in the 12 Films in 12 Months project. And we're excited to show you this first film. So, we did start a new page for Ironwing Films.
Yeah.
The company that you and your brothers kind of basically made up. So, at the moment, not, like, fully real, but it's real in our house.
Yeah, it's real.
Ironwing
It's
Films.
real, guys.
Ironwing
It's real.
Films. It is starting now. We might as well just go and register the name. Right?
Yeah, we should. We should just register that
We'll just go ahead and register. Maybe we'll have an update next month or something. We'll see.
Hey, we registered our film studio.
But as of right now, we do have another page, and so we will put a link in this if we can.
Could we maybe even put it on our homeschool channel, possibly?
No, we'll just link it.
Link it.
We'll link it.
Okay, we'll link it.
So look for Ironwing Films page link.
And then you'll see our
And
awesome
you will
12
see.
films videos and
The first one?
the first one.
The first one. And
Like that
Ellie does a little intro in the beginning of that film. And I think we'll probably stick with some of those intros as the films go on.
Just to, like, make sure that you know what we're talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, good job getting it done and getting the play done, all the 3D printing, all the art. I think we've learned a couple new things, right?
Not a lot of new things.
Yeah. But remember, every day is a school day. If you
take a chance to learn something new.
Like I said, we've been learning lots of new stuff this month, and we're looking forward to February being another month full of learning new stuff.
Yeah.
So, have a good one, guys.
See ya.
Check out our 12 Films.
Oh, yeah.
Directed by Ellie Coronado. Let's go.
Produced by Dad.
I'm produced by Mom.
And Mom.
Helped cinematography.
Dad.
Helped by Dad. And yeah, you get it. Anyways, goodbye.